Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Phone Tech. Today we will compare Samsung Galaxy A30s and Huawei Enjoy 10 Plus. Let's start. First we talk about processor and chipset. Samsung Galaxy A30s has a 1.8 GHz octa-core processor and Exynos 7904 chipset, and Huawei Enjoy 10 Plus has a 2.2 GHz octa-core processor and Huawei KEYone 710F chipset. Next, talk about the RAM and storage. You can see here huge difference in RAM. Galaxy A30s has a 3GB and 4GB option in RAM, but other side you will get a 3 option, 4GB, 8GB and 6GB. And talk about the storage, A30s has a 32, 64 and 120GB storage option, and other side you will get a just one option, 128GB. Now give a look on the display. Samsung Galaxy A30 has a 6.4-inch HD Plus Super AMOLED display, and Huawei Enjoy 10 Plus has a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus LCD display. Next, see the difference in front cameras. Galaxy A30s has a 16 megapixel front facing camera, and Enjoy 10 Plus you will get a 16 megapixel pop-up camera. Now we will compare the back camera. Galaxy A30s has a triple rear camera, 25 megapixel plus 5 megapixel plus 8 megapixel, and other side you will get a also triple rear camera but get a difference in pixels. It has a 48 megapixel plus 8 megapixel plus 2 megapixel. As I always tell about some other specs, let's start. Both smartphone comes with the Android 9, and both smartphone has a dual SIM option. And talk about the fingerprint sensor. Both smartphone has a fingerprint sensor, but A30s has a fingerprint sensor on the display, and Enjoy 10 Plus has a fingerprint sensor on the back. And next, GPU. A30s has a Mali G71 GPU, other side Mali G51 MP4 GPU. And talk about the battery. Galaxy A30s has a 4000 mAh non-dual battery with fast battery charging. Other side you will get a same 4000 mAh battery with fast battery charging. And talk about the price. Galaxy A30s has expected price is 14,000 in India rupees and 200 in US dollar, and other side you will expected price 15,000 in India rupees and 220 in US dollar. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and please click on the bell icon for new video update.